Hey, hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the easiest CLEP tests or CLEP exams that you can complete really quickly. If you're thinking about testing out of college, earning your degree faster, which I actually did myself, earned a college degree in just 9 months, CLEP exams or CLEP tests are a popular way to do this. Now, some people get their entire degrees just using CLEP exams. In my opinion, this is actually a more difficult strategy. I think there are easier ways to do this, which I'll talk about later in the video. But I do think that CLEP is a really good resource to start earning college credit before you're enrolled with your university. So you make sure that you're taking the right classes through CLEP, which I'm going to show you how to do. And then you transfer them over to the university of your choosing. And then you can start accelerating through the university. This really helps you to not have downtime and not waste time before you start your first class at your university. So if this sounds good, I'm going to take you over to my computer screen and show you how to find some of the very easiest CLEP tests or CLEP exams.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, so let's jump over to my computer screen. I'm going to share some pretty cool resources that can help you weed out the more difficult CLEP exams and help you find the easier ones. So first, this is actually basically compiled information by collegevine.com, okay? And I'm going to leave the links to these resources down below so that you can actually use them yourself. But as you can see, you scroll down and there's some pretty cool information here. It's essentially pass rates for a big variety of CLEP exams, okay? And using pass rates is awesome because you see, okay, which exams do people struggle with and which are easy, right? As you can see here, like Spanish language, 91% pass rate, college composition modular 83, and it goes down as you work down in the list. As you can see down here, chemistry, a 39% pass rate. So if you're thinking about taking a chemistry class through CLEP, you might want to take a step back and reevaluate because statistically, a lot of people fail these exams, right? Western civilization, American literature, introductory business law. Introductory business law through CLEP has a 51% pass rate. I actually had to take that class in the university that I attended, and it was a really easy class. I finished it in 3 or 4 days. And as you can see here, people that use CLEP exams for this particular class, it's a difficult class. So that's something to keep in mind as you're looking at all of this data, okay? College algebra, 52% pass rate. That means 48% of people that take this college algebra CLEP exam fail, okay? So I'm going to leave a link to this resource, and you can go and look and say, okay, here, anything above like a 70% pass rate should be fairly easy as long as you do your studies, okay? So you can use this list to help you choose what exams are going to be easier for you. And I'm going to take you over to another resource. Now, this is a website called Exam Gremlin. It looks like this woman, her name's Julia, and she actually earned her entire degree really fast using exams like CLEP exams. Like I said, personally, I do think going all CLEP for your whole degree is actually the harder strategy to earn your degree faster, but it's absolutely doable. But this is pretty cool. She's got this broken down, and she lists like easiest CLEP exams overall, hardest CLEP exams overall, and then she has a list of different categories, which is pretty cool. You can go here and go like easiest math exams, and it's going to drop you down here. And as you can see, college algebra for the year that this data was collected, a 24% pass rate, right? but college mathematics, a 76% pass rate. So what this tells you is if you need to, if you want to get a college math credit out of the way before you're enrolled at your university, this is really helpful. Don't do the algebra class, do the college mathematics class, and you're going to get a math credit a lot easier. So I'm going to leave a link to this as well. But one thing super important that I want to show you is when you take a CLEP test, you need to make sure that the university of your choosing actually is going to count that credit towards the degree that you're working on. Now, there are basically program guides for each college degree, whatever school that you choose. You should be able to go dig through their website or call their admissions office and ask for a program guide that shows you which classes you're going to be taking for the particular degree that you've chosen. This is an example right here, and it's essentially for like a marketing degree, and it literally goes through all the different classes that are basically required to earn this marketing degree. So make sure that you essentially lay this out, find out which classes you need to take to earn the degree, and then only take CLEP exams that are actually going to apply to that specific degree. This is a big mistake that a lot of people make, is they just go and start purchasing CLEP exams and they just start taking exams. And then when they transfer them to their university, oftentimes they'll realize, I just took a lot of exams that don't even count towards my degree, and it's literally just wasted time and wasted money because CLEP exams are, I believe, $89 a piece. So, I mean, that adds up. If you're taking, dozens of these exams and then trying to transfer them over, and then you lose the credits, that can be painful. The time is probably the worst part of it, but yeah, it can be painful. Now, as I said, I don't think that getting an entire college degree using CLEP exams is the best approach for accelerating your degree. There are the few reasons for this, okay? Every college or university has a limit to how many CLEP exams or CLEP tests they will accept as transfer credits to their particular university, okay? There are just a couple of schools in the entire country that have no limits for how many CLEP exams they'll accept. So if you want to get your whole degree just using CLEP, you are basically limited to just a couple of different schools. Now, a lot of these schools that accept all of these credits and have no restrictions, they aren't as prestigious or big name schools as you'd probably want in getting a college degree, and some of them actually have kind of a bad rap. On top of that, when you're taking CLEP exams, you don't have a lot of help. It's essentially, here's the exam, go learn the material and go take the test. And you don't have any help. So I see a lot of people just take the CLEP approach and they end up failing or getting stuck because there are some exams that are harder than others. Now, if you're wondering, okay, what's the easier approach? Essentially, I prefer choosing colleges or universities that will allow you to test out of your classes through their university instead of through third-party resources like CLEP, okay? Essentially, these are basically universities that let you skip to the test, and if you pass the test, you get credit for the whole class. Now, these are called competency-based education programs, okay? Universities all across the country have programs like this, even really prestigious schools. So if you look for schools that have competency-based education programs and essentially let you skip to the test, and if you pass the test, you get credit for the class, you can earn really prestigious, really, really high-quality college degrees for pennies on the dollar because you're not paying as much tuition, and you can do it in as little as 6 months. Now, my favorite process for this is called degree hacking. I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description where I essentially walk you through the 3-step process of degree hacking that I followed personally to earn my entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. That link's down below in the description. If you're on your phone, just click on the video title and it opens up the description box. If you're on your computer or tablet, scroll down below. And that training's absolutely free, no strings attached. I hope it helps you earn your college degree even faster than I did. I hope that these resources help you determine which CLEP exams are going to be the easiest so that you can, when you start your first class with your college, you can have some classes already completed and under your belt. Usually the enrollment process to get into a college or university takes a couple of months. So if you're wanting to start your degree now, these CLEP exams are a good way to start earning credits before your actual start date for college. So it's a good resource. CLEP exams they're awesome. My opinion is just be careful which exams you take. Just try to take the easiest CLEP exams possible and then get transferred over to your college or university and start taking exams through that particular school. I hope this video has helped. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have questions, feel free to leave questions down in the comment box. I try to answer all the questions that I get. So leave questions down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about hacking college and graduating faster without paying as much of your hard-earned dollars in tuition. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.